Hello, Otto here from London Car Alarm Company. We've just come out to do another Halo Mini on a really lovely brand new Ford Puma ST 2024, latest shape. So how the system works, someone was to grab this key, do a relay attack, jump in and try and start it. The vehicle just will not start, okay? Just will not start. So every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, really simple and straightforward. Just start button on to main ignition, insert the code, which we're going to change after the video. You get flash from the indicator, so tap, 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 tap. There's our flash, foot on the brake and start the vehicle. Okay, really simple and straightforward on here. As soon as we turn off the ignition, there's our flash, system is now armed. So if I try and start it again, it just won't start, okay? So standard procedure is, every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, no foot on the brake, start button on, insert the code. There's our indicator flash and we're able to start it. Okay, simple, and drive away. If I want to place it in valet mode, this is very simple, and the way I do that is without your foot on the brake again, start button on, insert the code and hold on the last press. So tap, 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 hold. There's our authorization, gives a flash, say we've disarmed it. If we keep on holding now for about 15 seconds, you'll see we're going to get 5 flashes. Watch carefully, there you go. There's our 5 flashes. Now the system is in valet mode, not speed or distance dependent. So as soon as I open the door, I'll turn off the ignition, the vehicle just starts, no problem at all. System's very covert, no one knows it's in there. When we get the vehicle back, again, no foot on the brake, start button on to main ignition, insert the code and hold on the last press. So tap, 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 hold. Notice it hasn't given us a flash because it's in valet mode, it's still covert. Keep holding and you'll see within 15 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds, we'll get the flash and it will come out of valet mode. There you go, it's now out of valet mode. Turn off the ignition, it's armed, try and put my foot on the brake and try and start it, it just won't start again, okay? If we want to change the code, this is also very simple, and the way we would do that is main ignition on, pass authorization by disarming the system first, so tap, 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 there's our flash, then tap the accelerator to the floor 10 times, and we'll get a flash and we'll be in learn mode, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this time I'm going to go, there's our flash, so we're in learn mode, so up, up, down, down, and off. There's our new code. So if we try the old code and try and start it, so down, down, tap, tap, no flash, okay. Start button off, back on, new code, I think it was up, up, down, down. There's our flash, foot on the brake and start it. As I said, this is the Halo Mini fitted to a 2024 brand new shape Ford Puma ST. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Give us a call 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you for watching, bye bye.